Greetings to all. Today I, Priyal that from Class 8 Frost will teach you how to make a rangoli.
Take a lid and fill small quantity of color around it. Fill the color in the circle as per your wish. Fill color in the peacocks. Outline the peacocks. Fill small quantities of color in between the peacocks. Make feathers and fill them with colors.
Wishing you a good health and a great luck on this occasion of Diwali. May you enjoy this festive season with your loved ones.